Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add someone to your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add someone to your Google Chat, you just simply have to follow some very easy steps. Now, first of all, just simply open your chat application, and after opening the chat application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Now, you will just simply have to tap to this plus chat button at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that button, and then after tapping in there, you will get this page. Now into here, you just simply have to search for person, space or app, whichever you want to add. Now, in order to add someone must be a person at first. You just simply have to enter the name or email address of the person. And after searching the name or email address, the person's Gmail will be visible into this section. You just simply have to select that, and after that you can easily send any of the messages from this section. And here we go. This way you can also add someone into your Google Chat very easily. You just simply need the Gmail of the person. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.